Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to look at something a lot of Firestick users and particularly UK expats are talking about. We'll be breaking down what a VPN is, how a VPN works, and how a VPN can help you access geo-restricted content like BBC iPlayer when you're outside the UK. So what is a VPN? A VPN, or a virtual private network, creates a secure, private, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. It hides your real location and protects your data from being seen by your internet provider, hackers or websites. So a VPN does two key things. It encrypts your data so no one can read it, and it hides your IP address, making it look like you're connected from somewhere else. So how does a VPN work? When you switch on a VPN, your device connects to a VPN server. All your internet traffic goes through this secure encrypted tunnel. The websites or apps you visit will only see the VPN server's IP address and not yours. This means that your ISP can't track what you're doing online, and also websites can only see the VPN location you choose and not your real location. And this latter point is what makes VPNs really useful. It allows you access for geo-restricted content. So for example, BBC iPlayer, ITVX and Channel 4 will only work with a UK internet address. So they block access for IP addresses from Spain, France or other countries. A VPN helps you get around these blocks by letting you choose a server in the country you want to appear in. So for example, if you're in Spain or France and connect to a UK VPN server, the BBC iPlayer will think your device is in the UK and allow you to watch the UK only content. And that's the basics of what a VPN is, how it works and how it lets you access geo-block content when travelling abroad. If you found this video helpful, hit that like, subscribe and the notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!